Hi, welcome to our Tech Mentors Snippet Training video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Excel 2007-2010 linking multiple worksheets. I am Maria Pribble, your Tech Mentor for this tutorial. So what we're going to cover in this lesson are two items: linking worksheets using cell addresses in a formula and linking worksheets using a 3D formula. So let's get started. We have a file here that actually contains several worksheets down below, and we are going to link the 4 sheet tabs that have the different cities of Chicago, Denver, New York, and San Francisco into this summary report. Please note that all of these sheet tabs have the exact same layout. So for this first lesson, I'm going to go to the summary report, click on cell B4, and this is where I'm going to create the formula that's going to link the cells from all the sheets into this one cell where you'll get the summarized value. So I'm going to start the linking with an equal sign, and all I'm going to do is go down to each of the sheet tabs and click on the respective cell, in this case cell B4, and then use the plus sign on my keyboard. And then once you're finished, you press enter and you will see the results right here in this cell. And notice when I press enter, the cursor went into this cell. I will be sharing with you a keyboard shortcut in just a moment that will actually put you back on this cell so you don't have to arrow back up. Now once we have this summarized figure, we can actually use this autofill handle that's to the bottom right of the cell and drag that little fill handle down, and you will see how it populates the rest of the spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and proceed and do the same exercise but for expenses. So I start the linking with an equal sign, and then I'm going to go down to each of the sheet tabs and click on the respective cell that I want to add up for each of those worksheets. And here I'm going to go ahead and do Control Enter. And Control Enter, you'll see, brings me back to the summary report, but it keeps my mouse cursor in the cell where I was building that formula. And a little trick with the autofill handle here, being that we have information in the column preceding it, we can just simply double click on the fill handle and it will know how far down to copy the formula that we just created. So there you have linking cells within this workbook using the cell addresses. So the second part of this tutorial now is creating a formula, which is a 3-dimensional formula. And so we're going to go to this tab here using the 3D formula. And we're going to go ahead and start with the equal sign, but this time we're going to use the sum function. I'm going to go down to the sheet tab called Chicago. Now the goal here is to collect the information from all 4 sheets. So you'll notice that they're in light gray color, so they're not selected yet. I'm going to hold down my Shift key and then I'm going to click on San Francisco. You'll notice that these 4 sheets are now in white color and they are all selected. I'm going to select the cell that I want to go ahead and add up on each of those cells, each of those worksheets, and then I'm going to close my parentheses and press Control Enter. And there is my total. I'll use my fill handle to populate this going down. And the next one is for expenses, and we're going to do the exact same exercise. So equal sum, open parentheses, and then I'm going to go down and get the information that I want. Close parentheses, Control Enter. And I'm going to double click on the fill handle to populate the rest of the cells. This concludes our snippet tutorial. So in summary, we covered today the linking of worksheets using cell addresses in a formula and linking worksheets using a 3-dimensional formula. We hope that this tutorial on how to effectively link worksheets to create summary figures has been helpful to you. And if you would like to learn more about these Excel tips and tricks such as this one, please visit our blog at www.thetechmentors.com. And on behalf of everyone here at the Tech Mentors, we just want to say thank you for watching. Have a great day.